Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian. So what's up? So in today's video, we're going to be doing a what's on my phone video. See, I'm using a Huawei 9 Prime. I really need to get an iPhone, but at least manage this before then. So let's start now. So I'm going to pop on screen record. I'm going to pop it right here. So okay, now started screen recording. Let's get to on my phone. We have a lot of things, 3 pages. Then the first thing on top are these 2 widgets, which the first one we have here is just my music, and the second one is for like just events. Because I'm going anywhere, I can just put it there and just plan myself. So let's move on to apps now. The first folder, I have a lot of folders on this phone. Yeah. I like to keep my things in folders because it feels good like that. So the first folder we have is social media, and I feel like I'm always on social media every single time of the day. Yeah, I love the net. Yeah. So first one we have TikTok. So TikTok is a very, very fun app. We all know TikTok, and you can follow me on TikTok. Yeah, although I'm not connected to Wi-Fi now, but still follow me on TikTok. Post amazing shit there. So yeah. Second up we have Instagram, and Instagram is like one of my best apps ever. I mean, you can follow me on Instagram right now at Adrian, which the link will be down in the description box below. You need to check me out. Then the next app we have is WhatsApp. It's just an app I used to chat with my friends and family, mostly friends. Yeah, you need the person's number to chat with them, so it's not actually like public stuff. Next one is Snapchat. I love Snapchat very much. As you can see, I love Snapchat because of the filters, pretty nice, and you can follow me on. You can add me on Snapchat. Yeah, just Adrian Larison and Larison9. So the next one will be the YouTube app. I love YouTube so much. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what the fuck are you doing? Hurry up and subscribe now. The next app we have on here is Facebook, which is just for my family. I actually don't like going on Facebook, but just to be in touch with family. Next one we have here is Pinterest, which I used to get great wallpapers like the one I'm having now. So great. But I actually customized it to another app, which we're going to get into very soon. Next one is Messenger, just to chat from Facebook, which I don't use. And Twitter, you guys should definitely follow me on Twitter, Adrian Larison. Very good. And I have a second Snapchat app, something that my phone can do, is called App Twin. And just like having 2 apps, mostly social media. It's very, very good. Then Zoom for online classes, then Facebook Lite in case someone wants to log in with my phone and a Facebook account, then Bitmoji, Tinder, which is not the real app, then Trailer. I don't use Trailer ever. So let's move to the second folder. We have games. I just games that I play. I love games, but I don't play games so much, but I do play Clash of Clans very much. Yeah, I love Clash of Clans. So let's move into the next folder. Browser, just browser that I use. I mostly use Google Chrome for like downloading songs and everything, and I use Opera Mini for private things. So now let's move into videos. Video player. So I used to play my videos, watch movies I have on my phone. And yeah, so let's move into music. And basically my music app. I have Boom Player and normal music, Huawei music that came on my phone that I love compared to Boom Player. Then we have the fitness app. This home workouts. I'm probably not deleting it, but it's just on the phone for a while. You have the photo editing app. The app I use mostly on this phone is Facetune, just to edit some of my apps, some of my pictures rather. Simple, just get a picture, you can zoom in, remove the sheets there, and pretty cool. The next app is Photoshop. I don't use Photoshop at all. I just have it there. I don't use it. Then I don't know what this app is, but it's my phone. Then we have PixArt, which I don't use. PhotoGrid, which I use sometimes. Yeah, just like grid my photos. Yeah. Then Airbrush, I use it sometimes too. Then this Man Fit Body photo editor. I just like create funny videos, funny pictures of me having like muscles, you know, like this. And yeah, so Snapseed, don't use it. Memes, so it's like this used to create memes which I still don't use, or maybe I might use it in the future. Next app is Bible. I'm a Christian. I love church. Next app we have the dictionary. Next folder is dictionary apps. I use this English dictionary very well. Then audiobook. Listen to book. I love using audiobook to read books because it's very, very helpful. Next we have social media tools in case I want to download videos on Twitter or save videos or pictures from WhatsApp with the status saver or from Instagram. Simple shit like that. We have the Google folder, all my Google apps. We have Google Gmail, Google Map, Google Drive, Google Play, and other things. So I love Google Assistant very well. Anytime you say, no, I should not say it. Nice app. Then we have the YouTube tools. Now, first of all, I want to start with the PixLab. PixLab is, so when I got this wallpaper from Pinterest, I came to PixLab. I can just like edit them like this, you know. Normally it's always big, but I like to like reduce it and make the right size for my screen. Yeah, and you can also edit your thumbnails there for your YouTube. The same one I used, this is the app I used to edit the thumbnail for this video. Now we have YouTube Studio. Very, very simple to understand. Just to check your shit with YouTube. Then we have KineMaster. This is where I edit my YouTube videos. Just a very, very great app. Yeah, I also edited one of my friend's video. You just come here, pick the size you want, then pick a video from your gallery. So that's it. Then we have the music tool, Shazam. I used to pick, like now I hear a very, very great song and I want to know the name of the song. Can you Shazam app? Then Blue Music, I think I saw the ad somewhere. Then I downloaded it, since then I've not used it. Then Datuna is to know like your pitch, whether like D5, F5, G5, G major, G minor, things like that. So the next folder is video editor, which I don't use. I only use InShot, but the rest I don't use. Paperclip and just FX Master I don't use at all. Then we have school folder, which I can't wait for school to resume. I can't wait for school to open. Just very, very fun folder. I have school planner, like for your timetable and shit like that. And I don't know why I say shit every time, and things like that. You can come up here, just get your timetable, I've set up some, but not everything, but I'm going to do it later. Then you can just design everything the way you want it to be, just like a normal better than normal to do app. Yeah. So the next one is OneNote. It's meant for laptop, I think, but I just have it on my phone, which I don't use. Any don't use, the rest don't use. Then we have the phone tools, boring stuff, nobody uses that. We have languages app, like I want to learn Spanish, French, and Japanese. Yeah, Espanol. What's French? French and Japanese. Yeah. So this app will help you. It's a very great app. You can just learn some basic things like greeting in Spanish.
Gracias.
Yeah. Gracias. So let's leave the app now. We have banking app. That's for my bank. Yeah, then we have App Store. You can download any apps. Huawei App Store and Google Play Store. We have the course dictionary because I'm in uni, in school, and these are just the app I use. Economics dictionary, accounting dictionary, and banking and finance dictionary. Since I'm an accounting student, actually banking and finance student, practically the same thing. So the next place we have settings app. We all know phone settings, the theme, to change the theme of the phone, which I don't do. Then email, I don't use this email, I use the Google Gmail. Then video, don't use it. Huawei Health, this like keep track of like the steps you took in the day. I'm always on my phone, so this is very accurate because my phone is always with me every single time of the day. So I took 1,414 steps. Yeah. You have the SIM folder, just to like manage my SIM cards on my phone, and the app, then the animal folder, which is basically just for training your cat or dog whistles and other things. Then you have the food app, in case what order some food. You have the TV app, just Netflix and tips for using Netflix. Then wallpaper app, I've never used all this app, never used them, will never use them. Probably will use them in the future. You have the math tools, which I actually love very well. Photo math is like camera, you can just snap the math and it calculates it for you and doesn't involve internet connection, which is so great. Then Mal math is just like an advanced calculator, pretty good. Then I have transport folder, which is just Uber and Bolt. Bolt is actually Taxify, great app. Then I have movie downloader where I download my movies from, Ultra HD, very clear, such a lovely app. Then I have shops where I buy things from, like Wish. I love Wish so much. I ordered something on Wish, can't wait for it to get in. I think it was the charger, phone case, and what again? Oh, pop sockets. I love pop sockets very much. I ordered pop socket. Then SIM cards, if you want to manage your SIM cards, she joined up with this. Still, you have the phone health, like antivirus, and just make sure your phone is free from virus. Then I have the music maker, in case I want to record a song on my phone or video. Then let me tell you guys about Acapella Maker. Acapella Maker is a very great app. Let me just show you guys something I did with Acapella Maker. So good. Just pick like what you want to do and just like record them, and it's so good. You can like, if you know how to sing very well, record yourself singing a particular song, then record yourself harmonizing that song, and just, it's so great. I love this app so much. Yeah, name of the app is Acapella Maker. Try it out. And then the next folder is time and date, self-explanatory. Then we have tools, just like on my phone. We have cloud, which is so helpful, and album grabber, party mode. Then bookings, when you get like hotel or like accommodation anywhere you want in the world. And we have Huawei tools, just tips and support in case you have trouble with your phone. Then the next page I think, sorry, I didn't talk about this clock, digital clock. I have the one for Lagos and Los Angeles, which I actually live in Lagos, Lekki Phase 2. Yeah, and I love Los Angeles so much. That's like my dream place to live, Los Angeles, and I pray it happens one day. Amen. Just the time in case I'm uploading a YouTube video, I know when to upload. Then the next page, you just have the weather widget and calendar. Just simple, and that's everything for this what's on my phone video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Adrian, Twitter, Adrian, and TikTok too, Adrian, Larry Adrian on TikTok. Make sure you like this video and leave me feedback on how the video was, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. See you later.